Hey everyone, it is April 2025. We already have Angular 19 in place with some amazing upgrades and features. In this series, we will be covering Angular in general and Angular 19 added features. Let's dive into it. Fox, welcome to my channel, The World of Frontend. I'm happy to have you here. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of the exciting tutorials and tips we have coming your way. In this series, we're going to dive deep into Angular, covering all the key concepts from the ground up. We'll explore Angular 19 in detail, focusing on its new features and how they make development faster and easier. Whether you're just starting out with Angular or you're looking to brush up on your skills, there's something for everyone here. Let's take this journey together. Before we get into the coding, let's take a moment to understand what Angular is all about, where it came from, and why it's become such a favorite among developers. Angular history. Angular, originally known as AngularJS, was created by Google back in 2010. At the time, it was designed as a powerful solution to help developers build dynamic single-page applications, SPAs, with minimal effort. As the web evolved, so did Angular. In 2016, Angular underwent a major transformation. Angular 2 was released, bringing a completely new architecture and a more modern approach to web development. Since then, Angular has continued to evolve with regular updates. The latest version, Angular 19, brings exciting new features that make development more efficient and enjoyable. This release is all about improving performance and enhancing the developer experience. So if you've been keeping up with Angular, Angular 19 will definitely take your projects to the next level. What is Angular? So, what exactly is Angular? Simply put, Angular is a platform and framework for building single-page applications, SPAs. It's one of the most popular frameworks in the world, used to create everything from small projects to large-scale enterprise applications. Angular is built around a component-based architecture, which makes it easy to organize and scale applications. But what truly makes Angular stand out is its ability to handle complex apps with ease. It comes with out-of-the-box features like routing, form handling, HTTP requests, testing utilities, and much more. And now with Angular 19, we're seeing even more features that streamline development, making it faster and more efficient. Prerequisites for learning Angular. Before we dive into Angular itself, let's make sure you're set up to follow along. 1.html/CSS. A basic understanding of web development is essential. 2.JavaScript. Comfort with JavaScript fundamentals like variables, functions, loops, and objects will make things much smoother. 3.TypeScript. Angular is built using TypeScript, so some familiarity with it will definitely help. Don't worry if you're not familiar yet, we'll cover the basics as we go along. For Node.js and NPM, Angular relies on Node.js and NPM to run commands and manage dependencies, so you'll need those set up. Why is Angular preferred by developers? You might be wondering, why do so many developers prefer Angular for their projects? Well, let me break it down for you. 1.Powerful CLI. Angular's command line interface, CLI, makes it super easy to generate components, services, and modules with a single command. It also simplifies running tests and building your app for production. 2.Two-way data binding. Angular's two-way data binding feature ensures that any change in the user interface automatically updates the underlying data model and vice versa. This helps keep your app in sync with minimal effort. 3.Component-based architecture. Angular is built on a component-based architecture, which means that each part of your app is self-contained, making it easier to organize, maintain, and scale large applications. For .RxJS for reactive programming, Angular integrates RxJS, which allows developers to work efficiently with asynchronous data. This is particularly useful for handling HTTP requests and managing real-time data. 5.Strong community and corporate support. Angular is backed by Google, and it has an enormous community of developers creating tutorials, libraries, and tools that make development easier. Plus, Angular is widely used in enterprise-level applications, so you can trust it for long-term projects. 6.Modular and scalable. Whether you're building a simple app or a complex enterprise-level platform, Angular offers the tools and structure to make your app scalable and maintainable. Angular's new features in version 19. Angular 19 comes packed with exciting updates and new features that make it even more powerful and efficient. Here's a glimpse at what's new. Performance improvements. Angular 19 brings optimizations that boost performance and make your apps run even faster. Enhanced developer tools. New tools to help developers with debugging and building, streamlining the development process. Better security features. Angular 19 offers improved security mechanisms to protect your apps. Simplified workflows. Tasks like dependency management and module bundling are now smoother, making your development experience better than ever. What's next? That's a quick overview of Angular, its history, and why it's such a popular choice for developers. In the upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into each of these topics, explore the powerful features of Angular 19, and help you set up your first Angular app. I'm really excited to have you here, and I can't wait to get started. In the next video, we'll focus on setting up your development environment and building your very first Angular application. Be sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the upcoming lessons. Let's get coding, and once again, welcome to the world of front-end.